now the Dangal movie was a sports biopic, and the songs really worked out very well. The songs like Naina, and I really liked it. So I even listen it almost every day. So what was the specials? How did you manage to make? Means it was related to sports, and
You know, I attribute the entire Dangal album to obviously Amir Khan, Nitish, they were Amitabh. We were all part of it, but there's some magic in Amir Khan's Panchgani house. The same thing happened in Lal Singh Chadda also. The same thing happened in Dangal. Every song was cracked in one day. First day we went there, we rested. Second day, Dangal title got locked. Third day, Hanikarak Bapu got locked. Fourth day, but the first day we reached in the evening, night. So that night we had to rest. So I'll catch day 2 as the first day only. So first day, Dangal title got locked. Second day, Hanikarak Bapu got locked. Third day, I think Dhakar got locked. So 3 songs got locked in 3 days. And then we all fell sick because we had stomach problem, the water, something, both me and Amitabh had stomach problem. My stomach was aching, so doctor also AK had to go somewhere. So we left in that trip. 3 days, 3 songs. The next trip went another 3 songs, Naina and the other songs got locked in the next trip. So it was just very, very, very. Who was Lal Singh Chadda? And so Dangal I was not expecting song wise like anything, because it is not a very romantic script. But you know, when I read the script, I remember I had the Nitish sent me the bound script to read. When I read the script, I was so happy reading. Like this sometimes happens when you read a script, it kind of calls you. And I remember the same thing happened with me in '83. I really, when I was reading the script, I had this '83. So chalo, I was so emotionally because I know '83. I lived '83, so I know the matches. I have memory of '83. So '83 script, I was literally crying, but Dangal script I got very moved, extremely moved. I had to leave a few films to do Dangal, and movies which had very item songs and love songs and all these things, and the scope of music was not very high in this movie, Dangal. But I left those films because AK wanted undivided attention. He said, we'll go to Panchgani that time. You have to give undivided attention. And I left a few films. Dilwale was going on, Bajrangi was going on. So a lot of pressure was going on. But I said something about the script. I said I have to do this movie. Though there was no scope of music, though I felt that obviously there's no love story, so there's no item dance, there's no love and all. It's a father-daughter story, and but the script was so amazing. I said, "जाने दो सब, मुझे तो ये movie करना है मुझे." And also that was my first. I was working first time with AK and Nitish was also first time. So yeah, I think I took a great decision because Dangal, I did the full soundscape. I did the background also, and I had lovely time, lovely time, lovely time.
So you have collaborated several times with Ranbir Kapoor. So right from Barfi to then coming to Brahmas and then
You right from Barfi, Ajay Prem ki gazal.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ अजब है
One song in Rajniti, then और भी है. हाँ बर्फी के पहले ये दो है.
तो up to
Missing something.
animal how how
Ranbir Kapoor is love. मतलब he is. Now everybody is saying, but from the first day I feel he is a talent, and he is so amazing as a person also. So amazing, so amazing. Matlab, I think he's a director's dream. You know, he doesn't interfere. He absorbs whenever he comes to music. It is hardly any time when he says that okay, I don't. He'll say that I don't like this, I don't. But he doesn't push it on anybody. That's so amazing, and he's so confident of himself. He's a great actor, once in a time generation actor. वो तो मैं पहले दिन से ही मतलब अजय प्रेम की गजब कहानी से ही I've been saying but I really got to work very closely with him in Barfi and Ye Jawani, and Barfi तो देख के मैं I told Anurag कि I don't think anybody else could have pulled off this role, and his eyes speaks every part. He knows he kind of molds himself to the role so well, and it's very fortunate. He's like Rishi ji. He is also musical star. He's when he emotes, my God, you see the rockstar songs, the way he has emoted. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I keep on saying this, but it is a tough feat to one full mukhra is just holding on his eyes and it just closes up. There was Scratch Poet. Arijit sang the song before release because Karan wanted one voice for all the for Ranveer Singh. Ultimately, Bulaya we landed up using Amit back, but Arijit sang it after the movie was shot, and I remember me and Arijit were sitting here and we are seeing that the picturization, because the first time he sang he was not getting the correct context, so we got the picturization and his eyes, it was holding in his eyes, and mute karke गाना mute करके we just saw the shot. Just his eyes were singing, it was speaking, so this is amazing. So I am glad to work with Ranbir in multiple projects. I think it's really good fortune for me also to get such a lovely actor, and apart from actor, as a person, he has been.
So now, apart from Life in a Metro sequel, what would be your other upcoming projects?
Oh, Life in a Metro sequel, upcoming projects. I'm just working out a few things. Still, now my focus is on Life in a Metro, and some. Of course, War 2 is there. Ayan Mukherjee is another extremely very important part of my journey. So two very important people of my journey, Ayan Mukherjee and Anurag Basu. I am working with it now, and the others I still haven't started properly, so I don't know. Unless you start and really get into the movie, I don't know.
And one final question, sir. So how do you deal with, means, when something does not go?
Okay, how do I deal with
So
it?
that means something which does not go according to your plans, or according to your means, like Kalank, there was a movie with Dhawan which did not.
Kalank, you're saying?
Huh.
Oh, that is a part of the game that you can't handle. But you know, talking about Kalank might not have worked in box office, but I don't have even iota of feeling bad that I have worked in Kalank, because the process has been such lovely. Abhishek Varman is a darling. He's such a brilliant person to work with. He's a true artist. First of all, he's architecture graduate, so you know he's drawing. Obviously, he's our Varman's son, so he has that in him. The art, the everything he does is so artistic. The way he talks, the way he writes, everything. Like, you know, he being around in the room was, and he's a lot of fun. He's a very, very sweet guy. He's a darling. That's it. So the process has been really lovely. We have been to Goa, we have been to Khandala, and we have had multiple spitting. Yeah, Kalank title song has been loved by people, and you know it is a very important movie in my career. I was working after a gap, after taking a break. I'm glad I started working on Kalank immediately after the break. Apart from that, there's some movies which you work very hard but doesn't work at all. Result is not in our hand. It is the journey becomes very important. So it's the enjoying the journey. Sometimes the journey only becomes so complicated and so frustrating that whatever is even if the result is super hit, you don't feel. You always feel that I wish I never did that. You know, so but yeah, that's it.